Okay guys, welcome to the personal property tour for number 20 Hollybank in Methil. The property behind me here is a 3-bedroom mid-terraced house. We're in a great location here for this to suit a family or potentially as a buy-to-let investment. We are just 5 minutes walk from the Caman Bridge railway station, which links into Edinburgh and Dundee, and we're also in close proximity to the schools and indeed the bus route down into neighbouring Leaving and the shops. So this property guys, 20 Hollybank in Methil, 3-bedroom mid-terraced house. I'm going to take you a look around inside today, so let's see what it has to offer. Okay guys, number 20 Hollybank in Methil, 3-bedroom mid-terraced house. Ideal family setup. Location here, if we head down to the end of the street, we're just within 5 minutes walking to the Caman Bridge railway station. If we head up the other way here, we've got the shops at the end of the road and the bus route that takes us down into neighbouring Leaving and across into the Leaving Academy quite easily for commuting for the kids. So, lane takes you into the back garden, and if we start in the front here, the front garden has lawn area chipped at the front, and we have the pathway which leads us into the front door. Right up here into UPVC entrance door, and takes us right in to the foot of the stairs. Now this property's all just been newly renovated, decorated with a neutral theme, and very spacious and bright. Downstairs, but we're going to start in the upstairs accommodation just till I show you these 3 bedrooms, 3 good sized bedrooms. As we head up, you've got the balustrade here, and as I say, whitewashed throughout, light airy feeling throughout the property. 3 good rooms. The first room on my left is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but by no means small. Good sized room. Storage here for wardrobe, and then also housing the central heating boiler. It's gas central heating in here, it's a combi boiler. Second bedroom, a really good size. Again at the front of the property, you've got twin windows there with lots of light coming through. And again, built-in wardrobe space. And then the main bedroom at the rear of the property, again lots of light coming in here in that window. A really good size double room. Again you've got storage there, wardrobe space, and then this big window looking out over the rear garden. And if I just show you down here, that bridge is the bridge taking you over the water into the railway station within 5-minute walk, and that's the Lomond Hills there just behind. Sure you'll agree this is a really good size main room. You've got all the doors have been done, white doors, timber with the chrome handles. Family bathroom here is tiled completely all the way around. You've got the low level toilet, you've got the wash hand basin here as well. Good size bathtub and the thermostatic shower above. Really good family bathroom. And a nice spacious landing here to access them all from the top of the stairs. If we head downstairs to the lower accommodation, this brings us back to the entrance vestibule with the front door and leads into the lounge. This big window in the lounge lets lots of light through this good size family room and onto the kitchen. Good radiator there for heat from the combi boiler. And then if we head straight into the kitchen, first thing you'll notice is we've got ample space here for a table, easily 4 chairs for family dining and breakfasting. The kitchen itself has all been newly fitted. You've got this sage colour unit with the chrome handles, the timber effect worktop hob, oven, extractor, marble effect splashback all the way around, wraps right round the kitchen. Again, you've got a clear splashback above the hob itself. You've got additional shelving for storage, both here and here. Space for a washer. You've got space for the fridge and things here as well. Stainless steel sink and drainer, and then the garden overlooked from the kitchen window. Again, in here you've got storage under the stairs, which is ample storage, and a really good dining kitchen setup. Outside we've got a really good garden space. And as I say, you've got access through the middle of the properties there in the lane, but the garden itself is a really good size. South's round about here, so the sun will come right round, and on the summer afternoons you'll get the sun here all afternoon, so a great place to enjoy the sun. If we head up, take a look back, the property itself, then we'll just head back inside to have one final look at the lower accommodation. As I say, this is a good sized dining kitchen. There's a really light and airy, spacious feel throughout the property, lit in by all the windows and the decor, neutral decor complementing the night. So guys, 20 Hollybank in Methil. This is a 3-bedroom mid-terraced house, the ideal family home, or indeed potentially a good buy-to-let investment, as it will appeal to a family unit with being in close proximity to the railway station, bus links, local amenities, schools, and of course neighbouring Leven, which has an array of additional amenities, restaurants, bars, etc. So if you would like any further details, please feel free, message me direct on here on this post, or speak to one of the sales team on 01333 421 774. I'm Richard Cook, guys. This is Fife Properties.